ジャンバラでござる。さやなぎんな。
Roronoa Zoro is considered as one of the best support character in One Piece. Not just One Piece, he is considered one of the best character in whole anime history. With the help of years of practice of his swordmanship, he impresses anyone who watches One Piece. Plus, Zoro is very special and famous for his badass killing and insane fight scenes. So in this video, we are going over top 5 fight scenes of Zoro in Wano Kuni arc. I personally think in this Wano arc, Zoro's role is very important and it is going to fill up a huge part in this arc. So without any other talks, let's get into the video and start with top 5 Zoro's movements in Wano Kuni arc. I personally like Zoro when he uses no sword style in random scenes. Sometimes he even uses that technique in fights too, but not many times. So in one of the scenes from Wano Kuni arc, Zoro is as always lost and now he is somewhere sitting and gambling while drinking sake, and he understands that the opponent is actually cheating by keeping someone under the net. So he uses his haki with his hand, and by using no sword style, he just blows off everything and fights the douchebag which are cheating in gambling. Just when the opponent gets caught while he was cheating, he had some thugs hidden in there, so whenever he get caught, he can kill his opponents and take all the money. But he don't know that he is facing Zoro from Straw Hat Pirates right now. The second most favorite moment from Wano Kuni arc of Zoro is the fight between the killer and Zoro. In this scene, the killer is sent to kill Komurasaki, who is actually alive and considered as dead by whole village. But luckily, while killer is chasing Komurasaki, she encounters with Zoro, who is actually finding his Shisui, which has been stolen by that giant guy. And now of course Zoro can't let anyone go who is chasing weak people and trying to kill them. One of the most insane thing about this fight is when the killer gets a blow on Zoro, Zoro actually holds that weapon into his arm so he can go for 3 sword style. And as he gets his third sword, Zoro goes insane while doing onigiri of 3 sword style.
Look at it. これで間に合わせよう。三刀流煉獄。
But our hero gets badly injured because of that attack and falls unconscious, so Komurasaki takes him to her place and kills that killer with just one blow. And that's where, Komurasaki starts to fall for Zoro. The third number on the insane movements of Zoro is when Zoro actually puts his haki into a small knife and kills and finds the actual killer who has slashed all the people and trying to steal money from the villagers. The animation in this part is actually really insane when he puts that haki inside that small knife and throws a haki cut on that actual killer.
お前 犯人だろ。
The second number on the listing is a recent episode where Zoro and Sanji, both of them, comes and saves Otoko while she is crying. Everyone is standing on their positions but no one is able to move. While that time Zoro and Sanji comes and saves Otoko from getting killed. And on the first number of top 5 listing of insane moments of Zoro comes Zoro vs Hawkins. Till now it is the best animated fight of Zoro I have ever seen. I don't know if you have noticed or not, but since the One Piece came to Wano arc, the animation quality has increased on a next level. So in this scene, Zoro is trying to take a little girl to a city because she is sick, and Luffy is also with Zoro, but Hawkins is trying to catch them and is trying to kill Zoro and Luffy, both of them. But as we have our skilled swordman Zoro on our team, there is nothing that we need to fear about. Hawkins is giving insane blows on Zoro and the tiger is also suffering because of that, but at last Zoro gets pissed off and he uses his final attack and kills that doll which Hawkins made in just one blow. So that was the video about top 5 insane moments of Zoro from Wano Kuni arc. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and comment down below what type of content you would like to see more on my channel. And yeah, that's it guys, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.